How to clear your search history in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to clear your search history in Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, start by opening your Facebook Lite application on your device. Once you are on the app, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. Again scroll down. Now under Your Activity section, tap on Activity Log. Now under Your Activity section, tap on Activity Log. Now here, again scroll down and tap on View Activity History. Now tap Recycle Bin at the top to delete all the search history. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.